Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add Google Drive to File Explorer in Windows 11, 10. Search with Google Drive for desktop. Install Google Drive for desktop. Check Add an application shortcut to your desktop. Google Drive added to Windows File Explorer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.